If your PC is running slow and apps are taking longer to open or low storage warnings are popping up, then chances are your C drive is full, and that's your main storage area in Windows. And when it's filled with junk files or temporary data or leftover apps files, your system struggles to breathe. But don't worry, cleaning your C drive is easier than you think. In this video, I'll walk you through simple steps to free up space without deleting anything important. So let's clear out the clutter and give your PC some room to breathe. So step 1 is to use disk cleanup. In the search bar, you have to type disk cleanup and open it, and then select C drive and hit OK. It will scan for files you can delete, like recycle bin, temp files or more. Check everything except important ones. Avoid downloads if you use that folder. Then you can click clean up system files for deeper cleanup. Again, select C drive and check options like Windows Update Cleanup, temporary files, previously Windows installations if available, else you can ignore them. Then you can click OK and then delete files. Step 2 is to uninstall unused apps. For that, you can go to settings and then go to apps. Then you can sort by size and remove anything you don't use anymore and it's taking much space. And step 3 is to delete temporary files manually. For that, you can press Windows plus R. Then you can type %temp% and hit enter. Select all the files and delete them. Do the same with temp and prefetch folders. You can move larger files like videos and photos to another drive to keep your C drive light. And there you go. A clean C drive means a faster or smoother Windows running experience. Try doing this once a month and that will keep things running well. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more simple tech videos like that. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.